How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our new brake light Z-6 TIR surface mounts here. So for example, I brought an amber unit, a red blue, and a green clear color model here. Now these Zs will have all of the same functions as our Z-TIR series. So you'll have your power and ground cables, your sync, your alt sync, and your flash pattern cable, and then with your steady burn override cable, if you hold that to the positive connection, you'll see your unit will go to steady burn red. So you'll see that's perfect if you need a warning light and a brake light in one. So we had some feedback and we finally brought the product here. So we have the brake light Z6 TIR. So make sure to check out the product page in the link down in the description, and also watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included here, and let us know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.